Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see what is polynomial, just the basics of polynomial. So what is actually a polynomial? It's similar to an algebraic expression. Like what is an algebraic expression? It will have so many terms and coefficients and constant. So all these things together is known as an algebraic expression, right? So it is similar. Polynomial is also similar to an algebraic expression. But this polynomial I can basically classify into two groups. So one is based on degree. Based on the degree of the polynomial, we can classify that. And also based on the number of terms, we can classify into the other group. So first we'll see based on degrees. So first thing is based on degree, we have so many classification. In that the first classification is linear polynomial. First we need to know what is a degree. See what is degree means the power to the variable. So maybe I'm having ax square plus c. This is what the polynomial I'm having. So here what is actually the variable in this polynomial, which is x. So what is the power of x? It's 2. Maybe I'm having so many x's and which is degree I need to check means you need to take the highest power of the variable. Here only one x, so we are taking just what is the power of x, so that's nothing but the degree we will say. Now we'll come for what is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial general form is ax plus b. This is what the general equation for the linear polynomial. So here where is the variable? It is in this term, right? And what is the degree for this variable? It's nothing but 1. So that's the reason it is linear polynomial. So what is the degree of the linear polynomial? It's nothing but 1. The next type is quadratic polynomial. So what is the general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. This is what the general form of quadratic polynomial. Here there are two x present, right? So there are in two terms we have x. But see, in this term the power of x is 1 and in this term the power of x is 2. So always we need to consider the highest power as a degree. So what is the degree of this quadratic polynomial? It is 2. And the next type is cubic polynomial. So the general equation for the cubic polynomial is this: ax cube bx square plus cx plus d. This is what the general form of cubic polynomial. So here what is the highest degree? It is 3. Degree is 3. And we have even biquadratic polynomial. So whose highest power is going to be, that means it's going to be 4, so that the degree is going to be 4. So the general form I can write like this: ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. This is the general form of biquadratic polynomial. After this whatever comes, we'll just say it's a polynomial. So based on degree, the polynomial has been classified into linear polynomial whose degree is 1, quadratic polynomial whose degree is 2, cubic polynomial whose degree is 3, also biquadratic polynomial whose degree is 4. This is what the classification based on degree. Now we will see based on number of terms how can we classify the polynomial. Maybe the polynomial having only one term is exist in a polynomial, then I can say it's a monomial. So I can say like this: ax, it's nothing but the monomial. And if the polynomial having two terms, then I can say it's a binomial. So the term may be anything, it's not like x only or x square only like that. So I can write x plus 2. See, this is an polynomial whose terms are 2, one term and the two term. That's the reason we have it's a binomial. And the third one is trinomial. Trinomial means, as the name suggests, it will hold three terms. So I can write like this: ax square plus bx plus c, which is a quadratic polynomial, right? So this also trinomial because it holds three terms. And we will be having the next thing as multinomial and polynomial. So these are all the basics of polynomial. So basically polynomial can be classified based on degree and the terms. Thank you.